please come here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have our own spaces here. Okay? All right. Take your seats in your group, with your group. Okay? You can sit there with your group. Quickly, quickly. We need a lot of energy in the room.
Sorry, where's my...
You were 5. Anywhere, anywhere, just be with your team, with your group. Yeah.
Yes.
All right. All of us, all settle down. You need to look at me also, so just make sure that you are listening to me, looking at me for a bit till we get into the action. Okay, so we are here for theater, right? What is theater? What is theater? Theater is a combination of lot of things. Any thoughts from the audience? What comes to your mind when you think of theater? Acting, okay. Expressions, emotions, stories, imagination, live expression, dialogues, rhythm, lights. Yeah, we're getting camera, action. Okay. No retakes. Yes, there's no retake. Yes. It helps to empathize in a great way. Sorry? Yes, yes, of course. Yeah, yes. So, yeah, Renu. I don't think we need any mics. We are in theater session, so all of us have to use our voice.
As loud as you can.
Let us remove, I could remove this also, but I think let this be because, yeah, so that I can talk to you in a clear way. All right, so, yes. Reach the hearts of people. Absolutely. More aware. I love that, yes. We are actually acting all the time, aren't we? How we behave here, do we behave the same at home? Do we behave the same with our kids? We don't, right? So we act in different environments in a different way, but we are all the time acting. And being on stage is all about that, just being that character and not acting. Being on stage, theater is not about learning to act. It is about being the character that you are playing and not acting. It is about behavior. Okay. All right. So, just to summarize what all of you said, theater is about, there are few very, very important points. One is expression, of course. Then the body language. I really wanted to hear it from one of you. Body language is so important, and as coaches and as leaders, that's something that is of prime importance to all of us, right? Then emotions, yes. So, who can name the emotions? How many emotions are there broadly? 9 emotions, Navarasas. So, can you name the Navarasas? शांत तो किसी ने नहीं बोला, शांत भी होता है. Yeah. All right, so more or less we know about it, right? We know about the 9 emotions and the Navarasas. And then another very important part of theater is speech, your voice and speech. How you are projecting, how you are modulating, what kind of pauses you are giving, how you are emphasizing on certain words. Do some bells ring in the coach minds here? How important the pauses are for all of us, how important reading the body language is for all of us, right? So these are the main parts of theater. Now, we all know expression expression, body language, tonality, your pauses, your voice, speech, emotions, everything put together. Now it's time for you to get into action. Okay. So we have 5 teams and we have this bowl for all of you. I will come one by one to all the teams. Just pick up one chit and then I'll tell you what to do. Pick one, please. Pick one. Okay, all right. Just one chit, just one. One for the group. This is? Okay. Here, this is another group, right? Do all the teams have one chit each now? Now you can be in the group because now the drama begins. So I call this part आओ थोड़ा drama करें. Are we all up for drama? आओ थोड़ा drama करें. Yeah? Drama कैसे करना है? Let me explain. So all of you have one chit each. Who is the 6th one here? You all, no, 5. You're there, no? Okay, she's there. Did you find a group, Nisha? Okay, all right. Okay, let me quickly explain what are we supposed to do. All right, guys, let us get into action. So all of you have one chit which has a situation written on that, okay? What you have to do is create a storyline within the group and then convert it into an enactment that is not longer than 2 minutes, one and a half to 2 minutes. Now the catch is start from one emotion and end on another. Choose 2 emotions that you can fit into this situation, create a story, create an act, and like I told you, start with one emotion and end in the other emotion. Do I make sense? Just to choose any 2 emotions that you can fit in the story under the given situation, create an act, and then we'll start calling you here. Primarily, see, emotions are all intertwined. You cannot just segregate everything, right? So, of course, there will be more, but it should be visible to the audience that which emotion you started with and which emotion you are ending with. All right? Yes. Yes. Very good point. Every team member is supposed to participate in the final act in whatever way possible. Yes. You can have dialogue. You may not have dialogues. Up to you.
Phone and all, I lost my bag. Can you please hand it over? I can't so confidently say. ऐसी बैग में रखना बैग
Device, your AirPods or anything which can be tracked in the purse. Guys, all of you have 5 minutes for doing this, okay? I'm sure. You have 5 minutes. You have 5 minutes to do it, okay? 5 minutes to do everything. 5 minutes. for rehearsals also. Keep 2 minutes for rehearsals also, because you have to come there on stage and perform.
हाँ से लेते हैं.
So 2 more minutes. Last minute. Last 1 minute, guys. Okay. Time is up. Guys, time up. Time up. Time up. All set. I'm sure you will do good. Time up. Time up. Time up. Okay. Everyone, please turn around so that you can look at the stage. Turn around so that you can look at the stage when everyone comes and performs.